Raynham School, we feel really privileged to be part of the Trees for Cities project. It's really enhanced our learning environment for the children, and it's brought our environment to life for them. It's given us the trees and the shrubs and everything around for them, the children, to understand about how we should be a sustainable environment in such an urban area.
An amazing experience, and it's not just an experience for today. What I love about this is an experience for our children for the future. You know, it's going to be integrated into our curriculum, into our learning. We're getting teachers on board as well, so together with the teachers and the children,
learning outside of the classroom. So important.
And you helped to enable this to happen, because we had a little go, but what you've done is you really brought it to life.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.